All right, we've got 2 new shirts in stock. This is our Houndstooth Flannel. We made this last year in some small quantities. We're bringing it back because people loved it. It's 100% cotton. It's extremely soft, and it's this really cool, unique houndstooth pattern. And yeah, blue, rust, awesome shirt. Has kind of a nice vintage, just very timeless look that goes great in the fall and the winter. Goes good with everything. Long sleeve, we've got 3 snaps on the cuff, sleeve placket, little button on the sleeve placket, marble snaps throughout the whole shirt, chest pockets, pocket flaps, a little button on the collar stand, front yokes, back yoke. It's a bunch of great details throughout the shirt. And yeah, we cut and sew these in the U.S.A. Free shipping, free repairs for life. So if you lose a snap or you tear the shirt, we'll cover all shipping costs, have you send it back to us, fix it, send it back to you. The goal being that you can own and wear these shirts forever. I think that's it. Let us know if you have questions, and if you don't see your size, just reach out and we can point you to a retailer, or we're going to be slowly making more and more throughout the fall and winter. So if you don't see your size, we might have it in the next week. So just reach out to us. All right.